We are under a weather alert this morning. Jeff Booth standing by. You've been watching this, and we saw what happened sort of to the west. And of course, we can take some comfort in the fact that we're not going to get all of that.
We're not going to get as bad as what they had out over Minnesota. No, the dynamics, if you will, in the atmosphere, not as conducive for thunderstorms with tornadic activity. Having said that, strong winds definitely going to be a bit of an issue later on today. We're going to have to watch out. We have an elevated risk for stronger winds out there throughout central Ohio. And we could even see some small to large hail in some areas, but that's not quite as big of a threat. Really, wind is the biggest threat that we're going to be facing. So we'll be watching out for that later on today. And it's all part of this right here. This feature, this is a cold front. You can't really see it on the, well, you can see it. It's inferred on the radar, but there's a front right about here, and it's bringing some showers, some storms. That's going to be rolling on through here later on today. We could see a little bit of rain out ahead of it in the early afternoon, but it looks like it arrives mid to late afternoon time frame. That's going to be the best chance for storms generally when some people are driving home from work. Sorry to say that. So we're going to have to watch out for that. But right now, we're starting out dry with some sunshine. But again, that front coming through here and out behind it, it's going to turn a lot cooler. We're talking about highs in the 70s very soon. And you know what? In early June, that's not that bad. It's not going to be too muggy either once we get through the day today. It's going to be a little steamy out there today, but tomorrow we're going to be feeling a lot better. Temperatures right now, mid to upper 60s. We're at 69 here in Columbus. Newark, you're looking at 65. Same story over in Marysville. We are in the mid 60s in Lancaster, London, and Delaware. Upper 60s in Circleville. And your hour-by-hour forecast looks like this. We should be up to about 75 by 9 o'clock, about 83 by lunchtime, 85 in the early afternoon. We'll hit a high right around 87, and then the storms kind of roll through here later on in the day. And again, a few of those could be strong to severe. Winds are going to be the main threat, and it does look like we're going to be dealing with a UV index today that will be very high as well. The clouds are going to start picking up a little bit through the morning, but as we hit the kind of the high sun time of the day, we'll be at about 9 for the UV index. Very high skin damage for someone right around 20 minutes, so make sure you put on that sunblock. Here's how the rain shapes up over the next 5 days. A ½ inch to an inch or so will be possible. We are coming off a very, very wet May. We had more than double precip-wise what we normally see. We actually had a 4.7-inch surplus on the month, and we had almost 9 inches of rain last month. Normally, we only get about 4. So, yeah, we had a rainy month last month, and we're starting off with some rain this month. Get some rain late in the day, and then some showers linger through Thursday morning. We start to dry out, though, in the afternoon. So, the Memorial Day tournament looking like it might be a little wet towards the end of the program. Also, a little wet to start the day tomorrow, but a little better in the afternoon. But after that, we got some smooth sailing out there. Great day and a great couple of days to do some golfing. We got more than a 6-inch surplus on the year when it comes to precip, so it has been a wet one. And again, we had almost 5 inches of that last month of that surplus. Sun to start the day, storms to end it. Some stronger storms will be possible. Hour by hour today, we're talking about 75 by 9, 83 by lunchtime. We top out at 87 with those showers, those storms developing, and we keep some storms around lingering into the afternoon. And then tomorrow, we'll have early rain, some late day clearing, much cooler, a high of 73. That's looking pretty good. So lunchtime, still dry. Into the afternoon, maybe a shower or two, but look what happens as we head past 5, 6 o'clock. Those showers pick up, those storms pick up, and it looks like we'll keep some showers and some storms around into the day tomorrow, but we dry out into tomorrow afternoon. That's going to be nice. But still, we got red today because of the weather alert, and tomorrow because of the inconvenient weather. The second half of the day looking a little drier tomorrow than we will be to start it. But 87 today. It's going to be hot and muggy. A 73 on your Thursday. After that, it's looking a lot better. We're talking about the mid-70s on Friday, upper 70s on Saturday, low 80s on Sunday, and it won't be too muggy any of these days either. We do have the chance for some more showers and storms late on Monday into Tuesday. Keep checking back for any changes with that. After that, we're going to be in the upper 70s and the low 80s.